You've got cash in your hand. You've got a Relay bank account. But how do you get that cold, hard cash into your digital wallet? Let's break it down. Now, I know what you're thinking. Depositing cash into a digital bank account? That sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. Well, it's not quite that futuristic, but it is pretty convenient. So, you've got a wad of cash burning a hole in your pocket. Maybe it's that birthday money, or maybe it's just that leftover change you've been hoarding. Whatever the reason, you want to get it into your Relay account. Let's dive in. Method 1. Allpoint ATMs. Relay has partnered with Allpoint to make cash deposits a breeze. So, what's an Allpoint ATM? Well, it's basically a cash dispensing machine that's part of a larger network. Think of it as a friendly robot that's here to help you with your money. To find an Allpoint ATM near you, you can use the Allpoint ATM locator. It's like a treasure map for your cash. Once you've found one, it's time to get depositing. Here's what you do. Insert your Relay debit card into the ATM. Enter your PIN. Follow the on-screen prompts. You'll usually see an option for deposit. Feed your cash into the designated slot. Make sure those bills are crisp and clean, no paper clips or staples. Confirm the deposit amount. Grab your receipt. That's your proof that you've just turned your cash into digital magic. Method 2. Retail partners. If ATMs aren't your thing, don't worry. Relay has teamed up with a bunch of retail stores to make cash deposits super easy. Think of places you already go, like Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, and 7-Eleven. Yup, you can deposit cash right there while you're picking up groceries or toothpaste. Here's how it works. Head to your chosen retail store. Find the customer service desk. Tell them you want to make a cash deposit into your Relay account. They'll ask for your Relay debit card. Swipe it or insert it, depending on the store's system. Hand over your cash to the cashier. You'll get a receipt as proof of your deposit. Important notes. There might be fees involved when depositing cash at retail stores. These fees vary depending on the store. So, it's always a good idea to check the fee structure before you make your deposit. There are usually limits on how much cash you can deposit at once, both at ATMs and retail stores. So, if you're planning on depositing a large amount, you might need to make multiple trips. Troubleshooting. Things don't always go perfectly smooth, right? Sometimes, your cash deposit might get rejected. Don't panic. Here are a few common reasons why this might happen. Dirty or damaged bills. ATMs and cash handling machines are picky about the condition of your money. Exceeding the deposit limit. Incorrectly following the deposit instructions. If your deposit is rejected, you'll usually get your cash back. But it's always a good idea to double-check the ATM or store's return policy. Security tips. We all want to keep our money safe. Here are a few tips for depositing cash into your Relay account. Count your cash before you deposit it. This will help you avoid any discrepancies later on. Keep your PIN private. Don't share it with anyone. Check your Relay account balance regularly to make sure your deposit was processed correctly. And there you have it. Depositing cash into your Relay bank account doesn't have to be a hassle. With the right methods and a little know-how, you can easily convert your cold, hard cash into digital dollars. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.